What's up, people? It's Kris. Welcome back to the channel. So today I was in the mood to plan makeup, mainly because I got my VIB order in on yesterday. So, when you get new products, sometimes you just want to play, So did my makeup today and talked about the products I picked up recently from Sephora Sale. So here's the look here. Really like how it turned out. I need to try and get a picture today, maybe post it on Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I'll pop the name up here. And yeah, anyways, enough talking. If you want to see how I got this makeup look and what I got from the VIB Sephora sale, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so my VIB sale package came yesterday, and I don't know, it kind of just made me want to plan makeup a bit. So I'm gonna share what I got. I only got 5 things. One of them was kind of pricey, but I went ahead and got it because the sale. I'm the middle one. I think that's Rouge, so it's the one where you get 15% off. So anyways, so the first item that I got is this Agave Daytime Lip Balm. I heard great things about this. It's just very moisturizing. Like, your lips just feel like really soft and they just glide together. So I do really like this. Also, the packaging of this is really nice. That is the Daytime Lip Balm, and it is by VIB Beauty. So next I got a brow pencil. This one is from Hourglass. It's called the Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. I usually use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. That's my favorite brow pencil of like all time, but I just wanted to try a new one. So the pencil on this is pretty skinny, which I like for my brow products because I have pretty thin brows. So I like for the product to be on the thinner side so I can work it into my brows. So I got that. Then I also got this liquid lipstick. I feel like these days it's all about gloss, but when I was searching on the Sephora app, I saw that they had these miniature size Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. This one in Lolita 2. So I already have Lolita, but Lolita 2 is more peachy, and I think I saw a while back the Glam Twins mention this color and they really liked it. I believe so. So I'm gonna give that a try. Then I got some more Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm because when I do wear makeup, I always go in with the balm first these days as my initial step, and then I cleanse. It just really makes your skin feel super clean after you wear makeup. So highly recommend a cleansing balm. So this is the last thing that I got from the sale. I usually just get the package that has 5 in it, but this one is the large one. It has 30 plus 5 bonus treatments. So this is from Dr. Dennis Gross, and it is their extra strength daily peels. This is just supposed to be really good for all skincare issues, whether it's texture, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles. It just is an all-around good treatment for your skin. So I have used this before, and I feel like right now my skin is struggling. I don't want to be too dramatic because I know that it could obviously be worse. My issues could be worse, but right now I just have a lot of fresh dark spots right now on my skin. So like here, and there's one coming, and then my chin. So I'm gonna need for those to fade and to go away. I don't know, my skin lately, I've been breaking out a little bit more than normal. So we're gonna be utilizing these guys. So there's 35 treatments in here. When I was using these over the summer, I really did see nice results. So we're gonna give these a try. If you've never heard of these, you should check them out on Sephora, read the reviews. A lot of people really like these, and I need my skin to get together. So I'm gonna be using these. And that was all that I got from the VIB sale. So I thought I would just do some makeup today. We'll just go ahead and go in with the Hourglass brow pencil that I got. While that sits, I'm just gonna put a little bit of bronzer on my eyes. This is not an eyeshadow type of day. And the bronzer that I'm using right now for this is Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Bronzer in color Mocha Mommy. So I'm gonna put on some lashes. If you didn't know, there is lashes at the Dollar Tree. What is the brand? Ioni Cosmetics. If you ever see that brand of lashes in the Dollar Tree, you should pick up a pair. You really should. The first pair I tried from them is, I want to say it's their extra large something. And I don't even know what I was thinking because I usually don't go for super long lashes. Those are really long, like they're long and dramatic. But I put them lashes on and I fell in love. They're only $1, obviously, because they're at the Dollar Tree. And to me, they don't look like dollar lashes. They look nice. They have different styles and sizes and lengths. And it all depends on, I guess, your location too, because I haven't seen this brand of lashes at every Dollar Tree, but sometimes the one here has them and I love them. So check them out for $1. I didn't even put on primer, Jesus. So the primer that I would use is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip, but I just forgot. It's fine. Concealer. This concealer is like serious business. It's by Pat McGrath Labs. This is called the Perfection Concealer, and I really don't know if this is like, I guess, a good shade for me. I went off of someone else's recommendation, but I got it in MD23. It's real bright, so I'm gonna try not to do the most. So to set the under eyes, I'm going to use this all-nighter waterproof setting powder. It's translucent. It's translucent. It's by Urban Decay. For all over powder, I'm going to use the Sephora Collection Micro Smooth Powder in the shade Deep. Bronzer time, my favorite step. I'm still trying to find like the perfect bronzer where I feel like I don't have to mix, you know. So I really do love the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mommy bronzer, but I just feel like I kind of have to really work it in and like go OD. I do like the warmth of it, but I feel like they could tone down the warmth just a little bit and then make it a little bit darker. Like there needs to be something darker than this, I feel. I'm gonna start off with this bronzer by, this is Makeup Revolution. This is their Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in Deep. This is more so like a contour, but I'm gonna go with this first. Now I'm gonna go in with Mocha Mami with the Morphe 527 and I'll go ham. That's enough for now, I guess. This is the e.l.f. sponge. This is a really nice sponge. I haven't had a beauty blender in quite some time because I've been using this e.l.f. one, and it's really, really soft. It's like low-key probably better than a beauty blender, just saying. So anyway, I'm just gonna clean up the bottom of the bronzer. Alrighty, so for blush, I'm going with this, I really cannot speak today. For blush, I'm going in with the Saharan Blush Volume 1 blush palette. And I really love the color Neo. Actually, I like all three of these. This I would not use as a blush because she's dark. And then these are more like highlighting shades. But anyways, I'm gonna start off here with Neo. I'm gonna wipe this away. Okay, so for lips, we're gonna be going in with this Kat Von D. I really hope this looks nice. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. So that's the look using some of the products that I got from the VIB sale. I think my favorite out of the makeup items is this lip. The lip is really pretty. So this is just like Lolita if you have Lolita, but it's like more peachier. So I think it looks really nice on my skin tone, and I really love this lip. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, you're a real one. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one.